So hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Today is my first video on SEO. In this video, I will show you the power of SEO and the reality of SEO. Too many YouTubers giving fake advice to grow your website or channel and giving you paid tools or fake tools. I will tell you how to make our own keywords and tags. You don't need any type of tool if you have a website or YouTube channel and more things. I will grow your YouTube channel and your website. I will make you SEO expert. I will do less than 3 years of my experience. I giving you. You don't say anything. I will giving you free. If you are interested and you think that guy make me SEO expert, so subscribe my channel and like this video and please comment below. So I will start the course, 3F course. The course is not too much longer. This course is simple and modern. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and comment and share. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video.